do any of you all suffer from low back hip pain? Well, I've got a stretch for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a chair, you're going to sit in it. You're going to cross your leg over just like this and just bend forward. Just fold the upper half of your body over and you're going to feel it. So you're going to feel it all through here. Cross and forward. You want to hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds and do that about 5 times. I promise you're going to love it. Take care. Feel better. Bye.